Last election was like everything. Peter did not lose that election because now other credible to rule this country or to lead this country. It is because of the Igbo man. I have said this earlier before, and as long as we are bearing Igbo name in this country, there is suspect. Many people don't understand it. As long as in Azafi in this country, it is suspect. But on that one, be an Abuda more. In Abuda no be an Igbo. Normally in Lagos, every ember month, and a kakiko shops, as well, we can be able to big market in Lagos. Normally, in Lagos, about by January in the mother, those people December how much is now from then before the maybe the shops. Maybe see the shop as well people are gone, develop but the government presently now and they destroy buildings in millions of naira. Some ask for no illegal structure, some of them illegal structure, some of them about but what I'm asking, can you realize they are now? Now, who are those people that sell that land to those individuals who have bought the land? Now, I could see the down there now. But I go first, then we need to share the house, but they didn't mention their names. What do you mean? Because now, Igbo. Now, and I want people to cause the issue. Can you be Igbo? Actually, come on, Igbo. Igbo, when they now saw us, Igbo, now Zafi Igbo. Igbo community. Ibabro, I understand what I mean by Ibabro, clearly misunderstanding. What I mean that Ibabro state, Ibabro country, Ibabro community, Ibabro local government, Ibabro consistency, Igbo race, Aboro. That is Igbo. That is why you given a South out for Igbo there, kind of South East for Igbo there. That's some other part of the world for Igbo there. Igbo race, Aboro. That is what we fail to understand. And for another Igbo in Delta State, if you're speaking about Igbo, not by Niger Delta, if for another Igbo in Rivers, or speaking about Igbo, not by River State, that is the government situation divide the eye. If your politician situation divide the eye, can you live one force? Can you live one body? Because when I unite here as a force, as a one body, we stay true. We decide what we want for ourselves. Either we stay or we leave. So because they don't want us to be like that, I'm not going to Igbo South. What is South? Igbo nation I go before South. Igbo race I go before South. That's when Igbo so no. So we are one. Anything where we are. That's why I love Fulanese. I love them for one thing. No matter where they come from, when this is Chad, when this is northern side of Nigeria, when this is Cote d'Ivoire, when this is Mali, when this is Niger, all of them are Fulanese. When they have issue, they talk with one as one. When they have any issue that is bothering any of them, the rest will join them and talk with as one. Same thing with Arab. Why are we so different? Why are we different? Why our race is becoming a laughable to something in the world? Igbo race is dying. Igbo race now Igbo race now. Igbo, we are one. We are race. We are not community. We are not country. We are not town. We are not state. We are race. Aburu Kaibo. Igbo only Aburu. Igbo Aburu. Aburu Kaibo. Kaibo ye kufu. Ebe obolo uno. Igbo eno Niger Delta. Igbo eno South East. Igbo eno South. Igbo eno as far as you know Azafi Igbo. As far as Igbo Afi Igbo Kabo. But no follow can see. Yes, people migrated from a place to a certain place. That is true. Look at me, when they migrated from Anambra to Imo, so when they migrated from Imo to Anambra, but they are still one. Why are we dividing ourselves? Because of state, because of region. As if like Igbo South, Igbo Southeast. Equally. Have you ever seen Fulani man still only North South, only North East? If you have Fulani body be like that, they accept themselves as one body. Why are we all so different? Why? Everything we accept it. This is what they use to divide us. They divide the same. It's not only Igbo South, and go South East. Can we really more strength? That is what is going on. They use sentiment, they use politics, they use Christianity, they use so many things to divide us. Why? Why, my brethren? We are one. I said this earlier before. As far as we are bearing Igbo name at this country, we are a suspect. Look at what happened to Igbo fella. Somebody employ him. Somebody asked him to do what he did in terms of that money. But today, not allowed to do those things. Previous government, only of them hold nobody. But because of now of CBN government, now about allowed because nobody need. Why can't us come together as one body? Igbo will race, Igbo community. I said it again. Igbo will race, Igbo Aboro. As long as we are bearing Igbo, we don't almost like at the same state. We almost like in the same type of Igbo. Igbo na so no can be. When they know Yes, the letter. And when the Anambra, when the Anambra, you know that Sophia, you wait till they understand what I'm saying, but they don't pronounce something the same way. Same thing with Enugu, same thing with Abia, same thing with the Tokodi. Almost like an assume is direct, it's only by itself, but we are one. We are same language, same culture, the same name kind of beer. Why are we differentiating? Why are we dividing ourselves? The more we divide ourselves, the more weaker we are. I don't know in terms of anything, whether it's I'm on one vote, I'm on one voice, I'm on one strength. That's why we are defeating in this country at any time. Only about the election, I'm going to go south south. We are not going south east. After election, we are like one Nigeria. Why? Look at what happened to our brethren, our brothers. They have lose their houses, some have lose their shops. They lose go, nobody lose go now, nobody lose go shop. See one Nigeria. And see Igbo here. Then go and go Igbo. You can tell me to one day to know what needs to do. Then another one day Igbo and south. Why? Igbo rivers, Igbo Delta. We are one. As long as we are bearing same name, we are one. Igbo with race, Igbo Aboro. We are not state, we are not community. We are race, Aboro. Go and verify what is Aboro, what is race. Igbo be race, not a country. Not a state, not a local government, not a constituency. We are race. Until we come together as one race, before Abolo, we will fight what is fighting us.